Hey, what's up, everybody? Peter here with you and Modern Food Concepts. I'm here cooking tonight, but just wanted to give you a little glimpse of what's going on here with the weather. It's literally been snowing here for 12 hours straight. I got up around 5 o'clock this morning. It was snowing. It's 5 o'clock in the evening right now. So literally about 12 hours of continuous snow. It's been the flakes have been real small and they're very wet. So it was 40 degrees this afternoon. And, right now it's probably in the high 30s. If the temperatures drop tonight, the roads are going to be treacherous tomorrow, at least first thing in the morning. But we'll see. We'll hope for the best. But certainly all this snow is great for the ski area. They're having an amazing opening this season. So Vail's off to a great start. So anyway, that's what I got for you. There goes the snowplow. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you have fun seeing a little bit of the crazy snow weather here in the Rocky Mountains. And have a great night. Bye-bye.